After you have downloaded MASQ Browser, follow the installation steps. Open your Applications folder and launch MASQ. It should load up the welcome screen. Click through the intro screens, and then you can import your bookmarks from your default browser with a few clicks. A short onboarding tutorial will walk you through the basics of the main buttons and features. Start onboarding with a password to secure MASQ, then either import an existing wallet with your private key or create a brand new wallet. You'll see an option for MASQ Premium, which gives you all features and airdrops for data. Finally, select Consuming to start browsing on the network. You can select Serving also to route data on MASQ if your router is compatible. After the connection steps are completed, you are borderless browsing across the world with MASQ Network. You can even choose your data country or leave it on country jump for random. And just like that, you are ready to privatize your browsing and have greater access to the internet through the MASQ Network.